How to break your sugar addiction in 10 days. Do you feel like you're addicted to sugar? Do you crave it all the time, even when you know it's not good for you? If so, you're not alone. Sugar addiction is a real problem that affects millions of people around the world. Millions of people suffer from diabetes and obesity and don't understand how addictive sugar actually is. In this video, I'm going to share with you a 10-day plan to help you break your sugar addiction. This plan is based on the latest research on sugar addiction, and it has helped thousands of people to overcome their addiction. We are here to help you devise a plan to kick the habit. Day 1. Identify your triggers. What are the things that make you crave sugar? Once you know your triggers, you can start to avoid them or develop strategies for coping with them. Check out our video, Unlocking Your Sugar Craving Triggers, Discover Your Path to Freedom. Day 2. Make gradual changes to your diet. Don't try to cut out sugar completely overnight. This is likely to lead to failure. Instead, make gradual changes to your diet, such as reducing your intake of sugary drinks and processed foods. Day 3. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and sugar, and they are packed with nutrients that can help you feel full and satisfied. Day 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can reduce cravings for sugar. Just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your life and overall health. No need to overdo it. Day 5. Get enough sleep. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to cravings for sugar. Doctors recommend 8 hours a night. Use your phone's health app to set sleep reminders and track your hours of slumber. Day 6. Find healthy ways to cope with stress. Stress is a major trigger for sugar cravings. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Even 15 minutes a day of quiet reflection will help your mind and body to relax, focus, and recuperate. Day 7. Reward yourself for your progress. It's important to reward yourself for your progress along the way. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Find yourself a favorite sugar-free snack, or go to your favorite store for some shopping. Day 8. Get support from friends and family. Having support from friends and family can make a big difference in your success. Talk to your loved ones about your sugar addiction and ask for their help. You don't have to go it alone. As part of this community, we are here to help. Comment below with your tips to stay sugar-free. Day 9. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help to flush out toxins and reduce cravings for sugar. Looking for a little more flavor? Try sugar-free vitamin water. It's my go-to flavored beverage. Day 10. Celebrate your success. You've made it to the end of the 10-day plan. Congratulations! You've broken your sugar addiction and you're on your way to a healthier life. You earned it, so keep up the great work by maintaining a sugar-free diet. Stay on track. If you're ready to break your sugar addiction, I encourage you to follow this 10-day plan. It's not easy, but it is possible. And it's worth it for your health. So, are you ready? If the answer is yes, then I strongly encourage you to take the plunge and say goodbye to sugar's grip on your life. Join us on this empowering 10-day journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, friends. Thank you for watching.